It can't be true, Johnson. We're helping people.
No, you don't understand. Operation Perfect World is going to kill everyone. Everyone!
Stop. You're talking crazy. You sound like one of those conspiracy theory wackos.
I told you I'd find it. This is the proof. Now you have to believe me.
Johnson, what are you...
Please, just read
not
this.
again.
Please.
Johnson, you have to stop this.
And do me a favor. Don't go to that party tonight.
But it's Katie's birthday.
You have to believe me.
Can't we just enjoy ourselves without all the doom and gloom?
You don't look so good. You okay?
Why did you come here? I told you shouldn't come. You gotta go.
Johnson, glad you can make
Where's
it.
Pierre? I gotta talk to Pierre Kubiak.
Oh, I don't know where he is.
There's been a breach in security.
The virus samples.
Missing, Captain.
Who was it?
The security logs show the last entry to the facility was Johnson.
Activate code 138, Alpha Delta Bravo.
I have a lock on Johnson.
I've got you now, Kubiak.
Chateau Cloquet, 1961. Perhaps you've tried it?
Gladly.
It's a pity that so much pleasure should be experienced by so few.
You know, you think you're such a connoisseur. You don't know anything, and it ends here.
Engage sequence.
It's a whole block. It's a lot of people.
What is that supposed to mean?
I know about the depopulation scheme. And now you're infected too. It's
Excuse
over.
me?
You failed.
Engage the sequence.